Are you looking for the best folding saunas? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best folding saunas on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hainan Portable Home Steam Sauna Box. The Hainan Portable Steam Sauna heats up quickly, reaching temperatures between 130 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit in just 10 minutes, so you can enjoy your session without a long wait. It offers 9 heat settings, letting you pick the perfect warmth for your comfort. The sauna tent is made from durable, heat-resistant materials that keep the warmth in and are easy to clean, making your experience cozy and hassle-free. Inside, you'll find a folding chair and foot mat for added comfort. The steamer is built with high-quality stainless steel and includes safety features like dry burn protection and an automatic shut-off, ensuring a safe and steady steam supply. Plus, the remote control and smart timer let you adjust settings easily for a relaxing spa experience at home. What we like: quick and easy setup, fast heating performance, effective steam and heat retention, portable and compact design, good value for price. Number 2. KASUE Infrared Steam Sauna Box. The KASUE Portable Infrared Sauna offers a relaxing spa experience right at home, helping you unwind and detoxify after a busy day. Its advanced combination of infrared heat and steam therapy promotes better blood flow, easing muscle tension and improving your sleep and skin health. The sauna heats up quickly with a large 3-liter steamer, allowing you to enjoy your session without long waits, and you can easily adjust the temperature and duration to suit your comfort. Its roomy design provides plenty of space for adults to relax comfortably, while the durable 5-layer waterproof fabric and sturdy frame ensure warmth retention and safety for long-lasting use. What we like: easy assembly and setup, good heat retention, affordable and portable, effective relaxation benefits, durable construction. Number 3. Manastin Portable Steam Sauna Tent. The Manastin Steam Sauna offers you a customizable steam experience with 15 temperature settings, reaching your perfect comfort level quickly. Its large interior space of 2.6 feet by 2.6 feet by 5.9 feet allows you to sit or stand comfortably without feeling cramped, making it ideal for most users. Setting it up is simple and fast, just 3 steps, and it folds flat for easy storage, perfect if you have limited space. Built with durable materials and a strong steamer, it ensures reliable steam output and safety features like automatic shutoff to prevent dry burns. This makes it a convenient and safe way to enjoy a relaxing sauna session at home. What we like: quick and easy setup, strong steam output, spacious and comfortable interior, adjustable power and timer, compact, easy storage. Number 4. Manastin 2-Person Portable Steam Sauna. The Manastin Portable Steam Sauna offers a spacious design that accommodates 2 people, making it perfect for friends or couples to unwind together. With dual steamers, it heats up quickly to 130 degrees Fahrenheit in just 9 minutes, allowing you to enjoy a soothing experience without the wait. Its lightweight and foldable structure makes it easy to set up and transport, so you can take your relaxation anywhere. The durable construction ensures safety and comfort, while the dual zipper design allows for hassle-free entry and exit, enhancing your overall sauna experience. What we like: easy assembly and setup, heats up quickly, responsive customer service, spacious for 1 person, portable and lightweight. Number 5. Tehanld 2-Person Portable Steam Sauna. The Tehanld 2-Person Steam Sauna offers a spacious and relaxing experience with its large size, comfortably fitting 2 people or giving you plenty of room if used alone. Equipped with 2 powerful 1200W steamers, it heats up quickly, saving you waiting time and delivering effective steam therapy. You'll appreciate its lightweight and foldable design, making setup easy and allowing you to move it wherever you want. Built with durable, heat-resistant materials and featuring a smooth dual zipper, this sauna ensures your safety and comfort during every session. It's a convenient and reliable choice for your home relaxation needs. What we like: Spacious interior for 2 people. Quick heat up time. High steam output. Easy assembly process. Responsive customer service.